Right, here we go again. Do you know, there's no stopping me this year. I'm going for it with some new, yet more new bulbs I haven't grown before. These are the rather delicious Canna lilies, and I always think of my my Auntie Pat and my Uncle Gordon over in Canada, bless them, and all the crooks, cousins out there, because Auntie Pat and Gordon always used to speak about their Canna lilies, and for some reason in the UK we haven't really, well, up till now we haven't really grown much in the way of Canna lilies. We do grow some, you know, and some people have them in their gardens in the summer, and they look lovely, but they seem to be catching on in the last couple of years, and I think it's because they've got this kind of slightly tropical look to the leaves, and people who are not going on holiday because of COVID and so on are looking to bring a little bit of their holiday to their garden, a little bit of the tropics to their backyard. And so I thought I'd give it a go. I do love some of these kind of tropical leaved plants. I love banana plants, and these look a little bit like bananas, but not as big growing. They're kind of a shrubby plant as opposed to a tree. But the advantage of these, of course, is you do get these really vivid coloured flowers. Well, we'll see if I do or not. So I'm doing this in March, and I've got three varieties. A kind of a compact one just there, gets a couple of foot high but more flowers. This guy here with those big black leaves and bright vivid red flowers, and this one here, which I rather like the look of, it's got kind of a stripy variegated golden green, hint of pink as well in the leaves, and those light orange flowers. So I've taken this one here. Oh, look at the size of that clump there. That's a good sized clump with plenty of shoots coming in. One bit kind of snapped off, and I did think about planting him separately. Shan't I? Yes, I will. We'll do that. So there's still a good sized clump there, and you can see some roots just starting. So I've got some compost underneath there. I'm starting in these pots so that I can put them in the greenhouse for April and May, giving them some protection from frost. These guys are not frost hardy. And then I'll either put them into a bigger pot or into the ground for the summer, and then we'll have to lift them up or bring the pot inside in the autumn. Here in the UK, apparently, you know, depending on how cold the winter is, you can leave them outside possibly and cover them with some mulch, you know, some bark or something to kind of insulate the roots. But I think for year one, while they're still establishing and developing some older, tougher growth, I'm going to give them a bit of protection while they're still babies. So we've got our corm in there. I can see the shoots there. I can see lots of roots. And I'm just going to top dress that with this blended compost, which is it's low in peat, so it's reduced peat. So trying to be environmentally friendly. But it's got some soil added as well, some John Innes compost, so it's got kind of the best of all worlds. And I'll give that a drink just now and put it into the greenhouse over there. I'm doing this up at the school garden, and we'll keep you posted. Exciting times, yet another new plant to grow.